So now that we've seen the benefit of linking up two different content types using the same type of data by creating a vocabulary with terms and then creating a single field and using that field, that term reference field, in both content types, you might start to notice other places where data is similar as well. So for example, you see that there's a guide column here, and each one of these is one of the guides that we created in the guide content type. So if we wanted to link each one of these up with the guide pages for these names, we have a couple of options. One, we could manually add links around the text in each one of these by going into views and converting each one to a link and pointing to the guide pages that were created when we created our guide content. Or we could use taxonomy in the same way that we did with the tour types here and create a taxonomy for guides and then convert these items to term references to reference those terms in the guide vocabulary. But what would really make sense is to be able to link these items up with the nodes that we created directly and say that this is actually pointing to a particular node. And we can do this by using a module called references and creating a node reference field. So just like we created a term reference field, we can do the same thing but with nodes. So let's go ahead and do that in the next step.